What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube. Today we're learning how to play This Is What It Feels Like to Be Cheated On Part 2 by Clinton Kane. Before we jump into the video, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and make sure you click the little notification bell next to it, that way you never miss a new tutorial. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes, so stick around to the end of the video where I'll explain how you can enter the giveaway, but for now let's jump into it. This is how you play the song. Okay guys, so this song is technically, Clinton plays this song an entire step down. He has his guitar tuned an entire step down. I'm going to show you two ways. I'm going to show you how it's played just regularly. It's going to be the same chords that he uses. I'm in standard tuning. I don't like to tune my guitar that much as far down as a whole step down. So I'm going to keep my guitar in standard tuning. These are the chords. I'll show you the chords that he's playing. If you play it in standard tuning, it will be a step higher than what he's playing. But then I'll show you how to play it still in standard tuning, but in the same key that he's playing in. So if you wanted to play it like along to him playing it, you will be able to do that. I'll show you both ways, so let's jump into it. Now the first chord you're using, you're starting with your index finger on your 7th fret on your A string, and your pinky finger on your 8th fret on your B string. Next chord, index finger 5th fret A string, pinky finger 7th fret B string. Next chord, index finger 3rd fret A string, pinky finger 5th fret B string. And then your final chord is you're just going back to the same chord, index finger 5, pinky finger 7. So the picking for this is a little interesting. It might take you a little bit of practice to get it down, but it's really fun once you do. I'm using my thumb to pick my A string and my ring finger to pick my B string. And your picking pattern for every single chord is 1, 1 and 2, 1 and 3, 1 and 4, 1 and. When on every single number, so 1, 1 and 2, 1 and 3, 1 and 4, you're picking your A and your B string at the same time. And every 1 and is A for 1, and then your thumb on the A string for 1 and your ring finger on your B string for 2. So 1 at the same time, 1 and. 2, 1 and 3, 1 and 4, 1 and. So again, it looks like 1, 1 and 2, 1 and 3, 1 and 4, 1 and. And once you get that down, it's the same exact thing through the rest of the chords. So I'll play all of it very, very slowly so you can see what it looks like. 1, 1 and 2, 1 and 3, 1 and 4, 1 and. Switch. 1, 1 and 2, 1 and 3, 1 and 4, 1 and. Switch. 1, 1 and 2, 1 and 3, 1 and 4, 1 and. Switch. 1, 1 and 2, 1 and 3, 1 and 4, 1 and. So again, that might take you a little bit of practice, but just watch that part over and over again and take the time to really practice that in depth, because it can be a little tricky at first, but once you get it, it's really fun to play. Now, like I said, if you're playing that in standard tuning, you're going to be playing it a whole step higher than what he's playing. Two ways to be able to play it in the same key that he's playing is one, just again, tune your guitar down an entire full step. If you don't want to do that, like I said, I'm not a big fan of doing that. So if you don't want to do that, but you still want to play it in the same key that he's playing it as, you can play those same exact chords that I just showed you in the same exact way, but move them all down 2 frets on the neck. So instead of starting with your index finger on your 7th fret, it's going to be your 5th fret. And instead of starting with your pinky finger on your 8th fret, it's going to be your 6th fret. That'll be your first chord. Your next one will be index finger 3rd fret on the A string, pinky finger 5th fret on the B string. And then your last chord will be index finger on the 1st fret on your A string and your pinky finger on the 3rd fret on the B string. The picking will be the exact same way, so it looks like this. There you have it, guys. That's all there is to it. Keep practicing. You will have this song down in no time. Like I said at the beginning of the video, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories. All you gotta do to enter is subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, like this video, and then leave a comment down below with a song that you would like me to teach you on guitar. Now the way it's gonna work is each month I'm picking 2 winners. One is gonna win a guitar accessories kit that comes with a capo, guitar strap, guitar picks, everything that you need as a beginner, intermediate, or advanced player will be in that kit. The second place winner is going to win a free merch bundle from the channel, and then when the channel hits 50,000 subscribers, I'll be picking one of you guys to win that free brand new acoustic guitar. So again, all that you have to do to enter is subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell, leave a like on this video, and leave a comment down below with the song that you guys want me to teach you on guitar. Again, I can't thank you guys enough. Your support has been incredible, and I can't explain how much it really means to me, so thank you guys so much for all the support. I really enjoy helping you guys learn these songs that you want to play on the guitar. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, leave those in the comment section below. I will have the rules to the giveaway in the description below, along with the free ebook that will always still be there. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. Always free. It'll always be in the description, along with any tabs that might be for the video. So again, if you need anything, have any questions, my personal email address is in the description below, or leave your questions in the comment section. We'll see you guys in the next video.